Today we have the 2017 BMW M2. This vehicle has done just under 73,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media and radio, communication and navigation, connected drive, my vehicle, and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Next up is our performance exhaust control, allowing us to switch between sport and track mode. We have 3 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Sport Plus, Sport, and Comfort. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are full black leather.